Phew. There it is. Finally. Surface grinding is done. Oh, about 4 or 5 hours and a lot of belts later. There we go. Now we can get into the grinding video, grinding the bevels on these things, start making them sharp. So, ready? Let's do it. Alrighty then. Get this place cleaned up. What do you think, Tyler? Not quite burning that midnight oil yet. Oh, just give it time. We will. It's coming. Honey, don't you worry. What do you say? We'll bust that little intro now. Roll right into it. Do I need to come out and walk back in like I just got here? Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the MountainPrevail Knife Shop. I'm Jesse. And tonight, we're going to start grinding some bevels and make these things sharp. Make them cut tonight. So, hang with us. You want me to give you a thumbs up, Tyler? Tyler's giving me a thumbs up. I thought he meant I was doing a good job, but I think he wants me to tell y'all to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, just go ahead and do it. Get it out of the way. Get it off your mind and off your heart. Yeah. All right, we're going to have a good time. We're going to have a good time tonight. I'm going to set this grinder back up, get it squared back up, get the work rest on it, and let's get a couple more things ready, and we'll bust right on into it. Hang in there. Alrighty, y'all. Got her set up, ready to roll. Got numero uno here, and nothing left to do but go at it, see what happens. Got a lot of grinding to do, a lot of, you never know what's going to become of the surfaces on these things during heat treat. Like if you got a little bit of a deep divot of scale or whatever that you got to try to grind out, you might take one side further toward the middle than the other, which was exactly the case on this knife here. You can see how crooked, how small that edge ended up being right there. And that's just because there was an imperfection somewhere in the blade, and I had to grind this whole side closer to the middle. But it ain't no big deal. Ain't no big deal. It ain't really as much as it looks, but we're still over an 1/8 inch thick overall, and we started out at 5/32, so we've not really took much material off, is what you would think. But at this point, I just sort of eyeball them. I just sort of grind to eye, and I'll just bring everything back to center. Then when I get real close to the final grind, then I'll get my mics and I'll measure from the edge down to where the bevel starts on each side, back and forth, keep things even. But I can get it pretty close by eye. Don't forget about the eye, y'all. Not pretty close, exactly. Remember that. All of that from that video, same thing here. Big guys. I'm not even going to use the mics this time. You have to cut that part out, Tyler. Don't tell them that. Got them just right by. Perfect. What are we doing?
That's what it looks like.
Do I need to say something? You don't want me to bust out in the dance moves. I'm just going to tell you that. I'm just going to start grinding, man. As you can see, I already got that edge going back close to center. Got her going the right direction now. been standing in front of this grinder for a long time. Guess what time it is?
Midnight oil.
12:23. Did it again. I told you.
Good track record.
You didn't think I was kidding, did you? Oh, yeah. Well.
You think midnight oil will be cheaper since gas prices are down?
Not at the MountainPrevail knife shop, honey.
That's true.
Later it gets, price goes up. Well. Alright. Got the bevels all rough cut out. Pretty well centered up and looking good and all that mess. That's 60 grit right there. So now the hard part of that's done. Everything's even. All the plunge lines look pretty good. As I go through the grits, I might touch a couple little things up, but I'm going to slap a 120 on there next and just hit all of them again. I reckon. What do you think? Go for it.
Yeah, go for it.
You trying to go home right now?
Nah, we're good.
We good?
Saturday night. Sunday morning.
Another 2-dayer here.
Another 2-dayer. Season 2 is going to be coming.
Season 2. Season 2, what I say it was 60. So we'll skip 80. There's a nice, slightly used 120. We're going to go with it. If it don't do good enough to suit me, I'll put a daggone brand new one on it. You know what I'm saying? You picking up what I'm laying down?
Yeah.
You smell what I'm scratching in? All right, I'm going to suit back up, keep hammering. All right, so y'all remember the first of the video when I said, right now be a good time to like this video? Well, while I've been grinding, Tyler's been sitting over there, and the results are coming back in. A bunch of you didn't. So, it's about enough of that mess. Do it now. Please. We appreciate you. I said please. Thank you very much. they are too. Uh-oh. Whoops. I'll say that again, in case that messed up. Alright, bevels are all to 120. Next is 220. I gotta be careful when it gets late and get to this point. I kind of chase that edge back and forth, one side to the other, trying to get things perfect. But that's what it looks like for now. I'll check back. We'll keep it going. All right, y'all. It's the next day now. Got a little tired last night. Was sort of chasing some lines around. So I come out here earlier today and finished getting these bevels all cut in and getting everything symmetrical and just getting them finished up. Anyways, still got a little bit to do to them. Right now they're I think I hit them with some 150 grit, so probably hit them with 220 next, and then a 400, and then may get a little froggy and hit them with some 600. That's what I did on the last one. Seemed to work pretty good. Anyway, I'll do that later on this evening. Won't bore you anymore with just a whole bunch of grinding footage. So thanks for bearing with us to the last couple of videos of that. Just grinding and grinding and grinding, and then grinding some more. But like I say, we'll show you how all these turn out in the next video. So be looking for that, and we'll get into etching some logos, and I guess that'll be the next video. And yeah, gluing some scales and stuff up too. So mix up some epoxy and make a big mess here pretty soon for you. So anyways, hit the thumbs up button, like this video, share with your friends, all that good stuff. Leave some comments. Step it up. Y'all still slacking on the comments. A couple of you's doing all right. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm old Jesse. Y'all keep them sharp.